Hello YouTube, long time. Apologies that it's taken me so long since I've last been able to post a video. I hope everyone's keeping safe and well. One of the last outstanding tasks from my quadcopter project, be it I think last count 6 years ago now, was always to release the code, but being a university project, I was not able to release it for some time in case it was used for further study for other students. So what I am doing now is releasing my code to the wider world, and it is online now for you here on GitHub for all of you to enjoy. Now, please bear in mind, as I said before, this code is over 6 years old. There are many ways to do this same project better now because of technological advancements, plus the fact that drones themselves have come down in price considerably since the time that I was making this project. And if given the opportunity to do this again, I'd most likely be looking at doing something around a Pi form factor instead of a Arduino. But anyways, the code is here. Everything to do with the mobile app interface I was using, the desktop graphical user interface I had using processing, the handmade controller and the drone software itself are all there in this Git repository. The code comes with absolutely no warranty from me and no expectation for future development. I may choose to do something in the future with a drone, but at the moment that's not on my radar. But feel free, have a look through the code. Some of you will still find it useful. Maybe it will give you a head start or point in the right direction of your own projects. And if you can get that value out of it, then that's more than I wanted out of this for people. So here it is for you. Sorry it took so long to get out. Feel free to download. The code is live now. Moving on, I would very much appreciate your ideas of how I could move this channel forwards. I quite enjoyed building things out of Arduinos. I've got access to Raspberry Pis, and obviously everyone has access to Amazon these days. They can purchase components and whatnot straight to their door. So I'm looking for a new project to undertake, and I would really appreciate some of your suggestions. Maybe it could be something that we could work on collaboratively. I could build some of it and demo it on my channel. Um, Maybe I could host a Git project centrally and we could all work together on it, something like that. That might work as well. But your suggestions, please, would be greatly appreciated. Just leave them in the comments field beneath. That URL again from my project will also be in the comments field. So thank you once again for tuning into my videos. Sorry once again because it took me so long to get this code out. I hope everyone is safe and well, and I look forward to posting another video for your enjoyment again soon. Take care.